Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. Chris here again, and now we're on video number 2 as part of our 30 for 30 financial fix challenge. Where, man, I tell you, we're on a mission to help 30 families over the next 30 days start their own journeys towards financial freedom, all through the power of financial education. Okay, so real quick, let's recap what we learned in video number 1. Okay, we all have 2 financial objectives that we have to meet. Okay, the first one being today. We all need to fund and provide the quality of lifestyle that we want to live today by exchanging the exchange of our time, our energy, and our labor. We exchange it for money that provides for the lifestyle that we want today. We're always trying to not just survive, but we want to thrive, right? Okay, financial objective number 2 means that at the same time, in exchange for our energy for money, we also need to fund our future lifestyle, right? Our future selves. That way, we have certain assets in place when we get there and we decide to stop working. Once we get there, those assets are going to spin off consistent cash flow. What that means, guys, is that your money starts to work for you instead of you having to go out and work for money. That's a beautiful thing. But all that is a strategy you got to learn, okay? So now, in this video, we got to learn about the 4 financial challenges that are keeping us from hitting both of those objectives, okay? And the first one is called the silent income killer, also known as inflation. So what is inflation? How is it hurting us? I hear about it, but I really don't know what it is. Look, guys, the government and the Federal Reserve print money out of thin air. They literally print it on a printer, a commercial printer, or now they just type up some digits on a computer as credit and money just appears. It comes into existence. When that happens, there's way too much money in circulation. When that happens, big business takes advantage of that and they start cranking up their prices. So guess what? Healthcare costs go up. We see it on our paychecks every year. It's going up. Our premiums are through the roof, right? Food cost is going up. Fuel cost is going up. College tuition is going up. I mean, man, everything's going up. But what's not going up? Our income's not going up. It's not nearly as fast, right? That means your inflation, your income is going down, right? It's real basic economics 101. Think about it like this. Just because you get a cost of living raise or a merit raise through your employer, let's say 3%. Well, if inflation's up at 6 to 8%, guess what, guys? You're losing income power. Plain and simple, right? So you gotta, I remember back in the day when we were young. I remember when I was 18 years old, I had a big Chevy glass house, we used to call them, huge steel car. I remember going to the gas pump. I was so excited, had my first paycheck, went to the gas pump and filled the whole gas tank to the full, to the brim for 20 bucks with a $20 bill. I filled that gas tank up, guys. You remember when we used to be able to do that? What is that 20 bucks going to get you right now in your car out there? And that SUV, you're lucky if it just hits the quarter tank mark, right? Why? Why? It's the same $20 bill, same color, same government, same president's face on the front of that bill, but yet it only buys us a quarter of what it used to get us. A straight up proof, everybody. That's inflation. Okay? The only way to combat against inflation, guys, is to have some type of investment asset that outperforms it and it stays ahead of the curve. Okay, so if you have an asset that is spinning off a cash flow at let's say a 10% or a 15% or a 20% return on your investment, and it's coming at you as a distribution or a yield, well, guess what? Inflation's at 6, your investment's at 15, you're staying ahead of that curve. That's the only way to hedge yourself or protect yourself against inflation. And those are the type of strategies that we teach in our program, in our community. Okay, so if you want to learn more strategies like what we have to teach you. If you want to learn sooner than later, just text me. Go ahead and text me the word inflation. Text me to 210-418-1904. Again, text me the keyword inflation so that I know you got this video. Send it to 210-418-1904. Text me personally. I will reply to you personally, and I'll send you some links and I'll advance you some more videos with more information. Get yourself started on the right track, guys. I want you guys to succeed financially in your own personal financial success. And I know that by helping others, I will succeed at the service of others. And I have kids too. You know, I have 3 kids going into adulthood. They're starting to feel the pressures and the challenges, and I'm trying to help them and help everybody, as many people as I can. I'm trying to empower as many people as I can, good people that just need a hand to get out of the hole that they're in. If that's you, just text me, man. Text me at 210-418-1904, the word inflation, and I will hook you up. And until the next video, guys, if you want to check out video 1, go to my YouTube channel, and we'll see you on the next video, all right? Stay strong, guys. Peace.